Now I'm going to discuss with you writ of certiorari. ये writ of certiorari क्या है? आइए इसका मीनिंग देखते हैं. It means to be more fully informed. Dear students, it is an extraordinary writ issued by an appellate court at its discretion, directing a lower court to deliver the record in the case for review. Halsbury states, the order of certiorari issues out of High Court and is directed to the judge or officer of an inferior tribunal to bring proceeding in a cause or matter pending before the tribunal into the High Court to be dealt with in order to ensure that the applicant for the order may have the more sure and speedy justice. It may be had in either civil or criminal proceedings. The first example of issue of writ of certiorari is found in a letter written in 1252 from Henry III to the mayor of Broadex, expressing readiness to be informed of the grievances of his subject in that city. Dear students, as observed by Mr. Justice Secruton, the writ of certiorari is very old and high prerogative writ drawn up for the purpose of enabling the Court of King's Bench to control the action of inferior courts and to make it certain that they shall not exceed their jurisdiction. Dear students, the court issuing a writ of certiorari acts in exercise of a supervisory jurisdiction, not appellate jurisdiction. As regard the character and scope, certiorari will be issued for correcting error of jurisdiction. When an inferior court or tribunal acts without jurisdiction or in excess of it or fails to exercise it. Number 2 पर लिखा है कि when the court or tribunal acts illegally in the exercise of its undoubted jurisdiction, as when it decides without giving an opportunity to the parties to be heard or violates the principle of natural justice. Number 3 जो situation है वो ये कहती है कि if there is an error apparent on the face of the record. My dear students, a writ of certiorari is undoubtedly available to correct errors in exercise of quasi-judicial appellate powers. High Court can issue a writ of certiorari to inspect the proceedings of a subordinate court to determine whether there has been any irregularity. My dear students, a person invoking discretionary power of court is bound to show that some injustice has been done to the parties.